I'm frustrated right now. So I'm feeling violent right now. So I want to design a weapon, and more specifically, an axe. So let's see how fast I can make an axe in Fusion 360. Can't lie, I did a really good job in making this axe. I made this axe in like less than 9 minutes, and it looks really good in the render. I would like to say thank you for watching the video, and if you have anything that you want me to design, please put in the comment section because I will design it as fast as possible.